Barry Murphy says he's excited by the level of young talent emerging at Cardiff City, but admits he's wary of creating a bandwagon of hype around some of his rising stars. On what was otherwise a disappointing night in the defeat to Newport County, 16-year-old Rob Tankiewicz briefly became the youngest player ever to feature for the Bluebirds. His record, however, lasted just over an hour before 15-year-old Axel Donczew replaced him from the bench, becoming the club's youngest ever player and sparking fresh excitement among supporters. Despite the buzz surrounding their debuts, many Cardiff fans left the stadium frustrated after watching their side fall 1-0 to a struggling Newport side who'd won only once in their opening 11 league games. I think Newport deserved the win, Barry Murphy admitted. They needed the win for their own reasons, but from our point of view, it was great to see Rob make his debut and for Axel to come on and show what we've been seeing in training at such a young age.
I think I've expressed my gratitude for being here. I think there was then a sense of me getting to have a feel or an instinctive understanding that passion was going to be shared at boardroom level, to do something special and to really let these young players at the club grow alongside the likes of Alex Robertson or the more experienced players that we've referenced. And at no stage of the process did I get any sense that passion wasn't shared, and it was a real motivation and hunger to take Cardiff back to where they've come from and beyond, and that was probably the most significant thing for me.
Barry Murphy believes nurturing that potential is about balance, giving young players exposure without overwhelming them. I'm genuinely not trying to get the hype of the bandwagon going, he added. Axel is someone that when needed will use for sure. He's shown he can train and play at this level. While Cardiff's defeat was a setback, the emergence of Tankiewicz and Donczew offers a glimpse into the exciting future that Barry Murphy envisions, one built on youth, opportunity and patience as the Bluebirds continue their League One campaign.